Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see the Facebook two-factor authentication. So let's head over to our Facebook, and once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account, and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to your profile or go to the settings icon. In here, just go to the account center. Now go to the password and security option. Now go to two-factor authentication. In here, select your Facebook. Now they will have sent a mail to my Facebook's email with which I have opened up my account, and I have to rewrite the code. And once it is done, then I can just verify my. As you can see, my code is here, and I have to confirm that, and my two-factor authentication will be enabled. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, just comment down below and we will reach you out.